Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's on a Friday. The weather is really bad. It's even raining. So let's see how the day goes, man. I hope this is not going to be the worst Fridays ever. Man, I'm gonna miss this place. It was an honor working here. Let's go, man. Let's go enjoy some of the last days. Let's go enjoy some of the last days. Good morning, guys. 10:16 on a Friday. I'll be heading home. So today I get to go home earlier, which makes me very happy. So as we say in Kenya, mapema ndio best. So I'll be going from Isinya all the way to Ongatarongai. My favorite trip. I'll take it easy today, no hurry. And hopefully I arrive alive. I'll see you guys at the road trip. Let's go. So this is how Isinya looks like in the morning. Gonna be buying some snacks here and then stop at Ololo Kitosh and have the snack there and then continue with my journey. So early I can even afford to stop for a snack. Okay, let's go and see what I can buy. Let's go to check-in hotel. Oh, kata tu. Hard work pays. Work hard, play harder. Kenya is so beautiful, extremely beautiful. But you always have to be aware of animals when you are driving. Always have to be alert of animals crossing the road. This is a nice example of this. I'm actually close to Ololo Kitosh. Once I get there, I just have my breakfast of Nyama, choma and fries. choma and fries. Okay, now approaching the best picnic spot of all times. 4x4 track on the left and air park or airfield or airport to the right. So I'll be taking the next ride over here. So there are some 2 trees there. So I'll just take that. Then hopefully I don't get stuck here. But it rained last night, so it's a little bit muddy. I will have to go closer to the tree. Oh, almost getting stuck here. Yeah. Welcome to my favorite picnic spot. Yeah, so I'm having my Nyama choma in the wild. Enjoy, guys. It's the Nyama choma in the wild. Some fries. It was one of the best breakfasts I've ever had. Now it's time to continue with the journey. Yeah, guys, that's the kind of fun I love having. Now on to the next type of fun. Okay, this road is always under maintenance, under extreme maintenance, because it's normally used by very heavy lorries and it gets destroyed very fast. You also have some guys sweeping here. Some sheep. Guys, look at Ngong Hills. Looks awesome. Looks very, very awesome, man. The Ngong Hills. Oh, beautiful. This place is called Ololtepes. Ololtepes. Ongatarongai traffic as usual. It's traffic as usual in Ongatarongai. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you had to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.